Behmor Connected, customizable temperature control coffee maker, compatible with Alexa, connects via Wi-Fi. Review. An excellent, expensive brewer, with surprisingly useful smarts. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Temperature control, within 1 degree of set temperature, for ideal coffee extraction. Altitude calibration, for accurate temperature, in higher elevations. Pulsed water flow, ensures that all grounds are fully saturated. Pre-soak function, to fully bloom before brewing, to ensure the perfect flavors in your cup. Thermal carafe, maintains the optimal coffee temperature. Integrated with Amazon Alexa, all you need is your voice, to make a morning cup of coffee. Integrated with Amazon DRS, for auto reorder of coffee. Pros and cons. Pros. What we like. Easy to use app. If you are busy, and love to have a freshly brewed coffee when you come back home, then buying this app-connected coffee maker can be a wise purchase. Behmor's mobile app unlocks the brewer's real potential. Through the app, you can control the coffee brewing process, water temperature, pre-soak time, and the type of roast, right from your phone. Design and features. The coffee maker has no display, but one visible control, a big circular key, ringed by a bright LED light, changing colors to show where the appliance is within its brewing cycle. The most compelling attribute of the Behmor is its ability to brew drip coffee at proper temperatures, and hit its grounds with hot water, for only as long as necessary. A small connection symbol is designed to blink when the brewer is actively trying to connect to your wireless network, or in setup mode. The bulk of the brewer gadget towers over its squat thermal carafe. 40-ounce, 1.1 liters, metal pitcher, is on the petite side. It holds less liquid than the carafes of competing models, which typically come in around 45 ounces, approximately 1.3 liters. Coffee brewing setup offers a varying degree of control. By clicking on each of them, a wizard will walk you through making a pot of coffee. The built-in Wi-Fi radio helps control the coffee brewer via the Behmor Companion mobile application, working with Android and iOS. The first benefit is easier operation through your phone's bigger screen, and the app's cleaner menu interface. The Companion app has Spartan UI refreshing to flip through. After completing the brief setup process, the coffee cup icon of the brewer will appear at the center of the app's dashboard. Tapping on the icon will show brewer's current status, or present 3 options: brew, buzz, or craft. The craft option gives you command over all the brewer's parameters. Once brewing commenced, the coffee maker's LED screen shows the phone app shown in matching hues: orange, water heating; blue, active brewing; and pulsing green, cycle completed. The app also sends a push alert when coffee is ready, and it's time to enjoy your coffee. Performance and taste. Coffee made with the Behmor Connected Brewer is very good, and even surpasses other competing coffee makers in flavor and smoothness. If you like smooth but weak coffee, use the Brew Wizard and select packaged beans of medium roast level. The temperature is automatically set to a low 195 degrees Fahrenheit. For smooth coffee, with a touch of bitterness and notes of chocolate and cinnamon, use the craft setting of 204 degrees Fahrenheit, with a 15 seconds pre-soak. Reflectometer readings of TDS, total dissolved solids, ratio of 1.36%, translates to the best extraction ratio of 21.6%. Behmor has improved its thermal carafe design, and steel container keeps the content hot for a full 4 hours. Behmor Connected, cons. What we don't like. The Behmor Connected Coffee Brewer does not show how much time remained to the end of the brewing process. There's no way to see the current water temperature within the reservoir. There's no option to set the brewer to make a pot of coffee at a certain time. Behmor promises that their specs will fix and bring all these drawbacks online soon. The bottom line. The smart coffee makers we've tested till now have either turned out bad tasting coffee or astonishingly expensive. The Behmor Connected Coffee Brewer is the first app-controlled coffee maker that we're actually tempted to recommend. Not only does the machine make superbly tasty coffee, but the Connected app also makes it easy to tweak the various settings that make that great coffee possible. The software is a little rough around the edges. Also, scheduling feature would be very helpful and desired addition to this model. Software can always be updated, and the Connected Coffee Brewer always will make a smooth and quality cup of coffee. Those control freaks who want to have a full control on Coffee Brewer and love the convenience of setting up the brewer by app using Wi-Fi, this coffee maker can be an appealing option. Subscribe to our channel. Like the video, comment, and share.